Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, in this video, we are going to solve question number 9 of practice set 5.1 of lesson 5 of standard 8. Name of the lesson is expansion formulae. So let's go. Suppose the question is 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon y minus 9. Okay friends, we can use the formula of x plus a bracket into x plus b bracket in this question. So let's write the formula first. If x plus a bracket into x plus b bracket is equals to, why we can use this formula here? Because friends, if you will observe it carefully, you will come to know that in the formula there is multiplication of two brackets. In the question also there is multiplication of two brackets. First. Second thing, in the formula first term in both of the bracket is same, which is xx. And in the question also first term in both of the brackets is same, which is 1 upon y into 1 upon y, 1 upon y, right? And second terms are different. Here is a, here is b, here is plus 4, here is minus 9. So we can use this formula. So let's write the formula. Formula is equals to x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus into the bracket a plus b multiplied by x plus a multiplied by b. This is the formula, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, so if x plus a into x plus b is equal to this, then 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon y minus 9 is equals to what? If you will carefully observe the board, you will come to know that x can be replaced by 1 upon y and a can be replaced by, a will be replaced by 4, b will be replaced by minus 9. Okay, so let's replace x square, let's replace it with 1 upon y square plus into the bracket a plus b, replace a with 4, okay, plus this plus is part of the formula, this plus is also part of the formula, b will replace by minus 9. So minus we will write it in bracket, so minus 9. Okay, so 4 plus minus 9 into x. Clear up to this? Plus a into b. A is nothing but 4 multiplied by b, which is negative number, so we return it into the brackets. Clear friends? So first step is completed, we have written the formula. Second step is completed, we have replaced the values in the formula. Third step is to solve the expression according to BODMAS. Okay, so according to BODMAS, first is bracket. So let's solve all the brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4 brackets are there. Let's solve. All the brackets will have same priority, so let's solve them from left to right. Leftmost bracket contains 1 upon y bracket square. So after expansion it will be 1 upon y square. Square of numerator, square of 1 is 1, square of denominator, square of y is y square. Clear? Plus, now friends, here is nested bracket. One is outer bracket and one is inner bracket. You know, in such case what we have to do? We have to solve the inner bracket first. So outer bracket will remain as it is. Okay, in outer bracket this 4 is there. Now what is the case of inner bracket? Plus minus 4 means we just have to remove the bracket, nothing else. And you know, in the case of removal of the bracket, plus minus minus, which is nothing but the symbol of the number inside the bracket. Plus minus minus will represent symbol of the number inside the bracket into x. Sorry, at the place of x we just have to write 1 upon y, because x in the formula will replace by 1 upon y. Okay, so here we will multiply this 4 minus 9 by 1 upon y. Clear up to this? Plus 4, look at the next bracket. This bracket is doing what? It is directly multiplying to this number. Means here we have to do multiplication of minus 9 and plus 4. So multiplication of minus 9 into plus 4 is equals to minus 36. Right? 4 9s are 36 and plus minus. Minus is symbol in the case of multiplication. Okay friends. Now Are there all brackets over? No, one more bracket is remain. So once again, according to BODMAS, we have to solve this bracket. Let's solve. Remaining thing which are not in the bracket, let's write them as it is. 1 upon y square, not in the bracket, so wrote as it is. 4 minus 9. What is there in the bracket? 4 minus 9. So in this case, there is not any symbol in between addition subtraction bracket anywhere between 4 and 9. There is not a bracket between 4 and 9. Means we can do their addition or subtraction. That is totally depends on their symbols. Symbols are plus minus. Plus minus. Minus is action in the case of addition subtraction. Means we have to subtract 4 from 9. Okay. So 9 minus 4, answer is equal to 5. Okay. And what will be the symbol? This plus will be as it is. Multiplication, subtraction of these two. 4 minus 9, answer is equals to minus 5. As it is a negative number, hence we have to write it in the bracket. Okay, so 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5. Answer is negative number, so I have written it in the bracket. Multiplied by 1 upon 9. Right? There is not any symbol in between bracket and 1 upon y. So we have to multiply it by. So minus 5 multiply by 1 upon y. Minus 36. Till bracket is not over. So we have to solve again. So 1 upon y square. Now what is the case here? Plus minus. We just have to remove the bracket. In case of removal of the bracket, plus minus, minus is the symbol. Minus is the symbol of the number inside the bracket. So it become minus 5 multiplied by 1 upon y. Clear? Minus 36. Okay, up to this. Now is it over? All brackets over. But we have to continue using BODMAS unless and until all terms are not solved. So what is the next term? Next is multiplication is remain. According to BODMAS, bracket order. So there was an order which is already solved while solving bracket. Then next is division. Division is not here. After that, next is multiplication. So let us solve this multiplication. Other terms which are not multiplying, let's write them as it is. 1 upon y square as it is. Minus 5 multiplied by 1 upon y is equal to minus 5 upon y. Alright, minus 36. Okay, so bracket, order, division, multiplication over. Next is addition, subtraction. Look at the numbers, look at the terms. All of these terms are unlike. Hence their addition, subtraction is not possible. We can't do their addition, subtraction. So it is our final answer. When to decide the answer is final? Whenever all of the terms in the answer are unlike. All of these terms are unlike. So addition, subtraction is not possible. Hence it is our final answer. Therefore we can say that 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon y minus 9 is equals to 1 upon y square minus 5 upon y minus 36. Clear friends? Thank you.